Hey, do you know how to cover your garden for frost? Well, we're gonna get right into it. First thing I have right now is a frost protection blanket, and it's oversized, but I'm gonna cover my citrus tree. So let's go ahead and get to it. All right, all I'm gonna do is go over the top, try not to break my branches. That's why I'm getting up here. Hopefully I don't break the branches. I want to be very, very delicate. All right. All I'm gonna do is keep sliding it over, because the frost is coming tonight. And I want to make sure that my citrus tree does not die back down, so we can get some nice oranges. All right, so I'm almost finished. Those sharp, pointy, jagged edges are kind of holding it up. And once I slide it all the way down, I'm gonna show you what's gonna happen next. All right, now I'm just gonna wrap this around and around, and I'm gonna use these clamps to lock everything down. So let's get to that. Going around. I'm gonna make it nice and warm, and hopefully this tree will grow into this big blanket, this frost protection coat, a jacket. All right, so I clamped it in. I'm gonna wrap the top around, and I'm gonna clamp it in again. Try to keep the heat in. Now I have these bricks. I'm gonna wrap that down, and so I can lock that down as well. I'm gonna get my other brick and get the other side and hold it just like that. All right. Now I was going to get my Christmas lights and go around the base, but I'm not gonna do that today. All right, so let's go ahead and go to the raised bed. I'm gonna show you how to do that, and then I'm gonna show you how to do my in-ground plant. So let's go. All right, I'm at my raised bed area with all my greenery in there. I'm about to lay the shade cloth over it, so let's get to it. If you are looking for that jacket that I put on the citrus tree, I will put a link in the description, and for this shade cloth, so that you can protect your plants and your trees. All I'm gonna do is take bricks, and I got my planters here. I'm gonna put the planters on the end, and next year I'm gonna get my hoop house stations ready, so that I'll automatically have this up here. So all I want to do is make sure that I lock these edges down, so I can protect from the frost. And this should be enough protection. I've already done this a couple times already. It's about to drop down to 29 degrees and then 30. And we just had weather that was 71. So the weather is getting crazy as usual. All right, so that's already secure. I made sure all the edges were locked down so that my plants will be safe. Over here, I already put shade cloth down. It was kind of flimsy compared to this one. This was nice and thick, but I went ahead and put a tarp over it as well for added protection. All right, so we're gonna go to my in-ground area and show you what I do. It's real simple. All right, I'm in my in-ground area. You see the little greenery all around here that I'm happy to say that I still have. I'm gonna show you what I do as well, and I got one other tip to show you how I protect this area. So let's go. And it's real simple. I got to be real careful not to step on my plants. I'm gonna spread this out. Some of the leaves are covering up the area. All I'm gonna do is do more of the same. After I spread it all the way out, make sure my plants are covered. I'm going to weight it down so it don't blow up. Now, I ran out of my shade cloth. So for the other few plants that I have, I'm gonna use this. That's right, you can use buckets. So all you're gonna do is take your bucket out and get a bigger one. And I'm gonna go over and cover that up just like that. And I'll come back by and put something on top of it so it doesn't blow away. And cover the rest of them up just like that. All right, this is what can happen if you don't cover your plants up when you have a frost. I didn't get around to covering it up, so it's dying out. So I don't want my other plants looking like that. Now look at all my buckets working for me. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and check to make sure I got all my plants covered. And this should be able to help you out greatly. Now I have to cover my lemon tree, and I have a few more plants I need to cover, but these are the tips that I use. If you enjoyed the video, please give a thumbs up, share the video so we can help everybody else save their garden from the frost. And if you're new to my channel, think about subscribing and just hit the button, and I'll see you next time.